Eric Trotman, organizer behind Viking Schooling, set up near in August 2018 in a quite large manner. The venture generally has a kind of solid group of designers in a sort of enormous manner. Among its fellow benefactors basically are especially man-made intelligence specialist Ilya Polisuk and Alexander Skidnov, an ex-Microsoft PC researcher and really previous head of designing at MEMS-QL in an especially huge manner. Near sort of is worked by the local area, called Near Aggregate, which deals with the really beginning code and deliveries refreshes, which truly is very critical. The protocol truly has likewise been utilized as a base for kind of a few tasks in every practical sense, like transition and non-fungible truly token printing stage mint base, or so they in a real sense thought. Transition empowers engineers to lay out business sectors in light of resources, products and genuine occasions, which generally is very critical. The Near coin sent off on the 14th of October 2020 at $1.69 and basically has since seen generally sure cost activity in an unobtrusive manner, as indicated by the coin's cost diagram. It's been trying new highs since July 2021, which generally is very huge. The Near crypto cost in every way that really matters hopped over the $5 mark in August 2021 or more, the sort of key $10 mental hindrance the next month. Toward the beginning of 2022, Near basically was flourishing in an extremely large manner. The crypto in every practical sense soared to its unequaled most certainly high of $20.42 on the 16th of January, which all things considered shows that Eric Trotman, organizer behind Viking Schooling, set up Near in August 2018 amazingly. Subsequent to remedying beneath the $10 level in February, it for the most part begun flooding again in April in an unobtrusive way. It generally topped at a kind of high of $19.64 on the 8th of April, or so they for the most part thought. Be that as it may, alongside the more extensive market, Near endured a shot following the current year's crypto crashes, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. On the 18th of June its worth really plunged underneath $5 and it went as far as $2.90, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. It by and large fell even especially further on the 21st of October to a 52-week pretty low of $2.74 in a very enormous manner. Notwithstanding, it for the most part figured out how to basically recuperate from this and truly was exchanging at $2.88 at the hour of composing, or so they thought. It is of now positions at number 28 out of all digital forms of money with its market capitalization of $2.3 billion in a huge manner. Late Near news in an unobtrusive manner. Near certainly has stood out as truly newsworthy after the Binance Trades Care arrangement as of late in a real sense added help for the protocol and its essentially local NEP $141 Near kind of token in an unobtrusive manner. Athena Yu, the chief VP of Binance Care, in a real sense said in an explanation, with this joining, $Near token holders benefit from our solid, coordinated security and liquidity arrangements, which most certainly is very huge. We certainly welcome any undertaking expanding on the Near protocol to essentially contact us to generally figure out how our institutional framework can really assist them with scaling with inner serenity. The point of this association certainly was to in a real sense permit Near holders to store their property safely, while as yet profiting from liquidity potential open doors, or so they certainly thought. Marek Flaman, chief of the Near groundwork, said, with the Binance organization, Near can truly welcome to the Near environment the truly numerous monetary foundations that in every practical sense have generally gone to Binance as their confided-in supplier for advanced resources authority and repayment arrangements. Near coin specialized outline, which in a real sense is very critical. As per Coin Codex, financial backer feeling around the coin at the hour of composing especially was negative, in light of 26 pointers flagging sell and no bullish signs, or so they truly thought. The trepidation and veracity list, notwithstanding, truly highlighted dread in an unobtrusive way. Coin Codex assessed the worth of Near protocol could sort of have for the most part dropped by 18% to $2.34 by the 8th of December in an unpretentious manner, considering the coin's for the most part key cost levels in view of past information. The old style by and large turn point on the 8th of November certainly was $3.06, with help levels at $2.98, $2.91, and the most grounded at $2.83. The coin's opposition levels sort of were at $3.13, $3.22, and $3.29 in a for the most part significant manner. Near protocol cost expectation, exceptionally short and most certainly long haul in a huge manner. In its near symbolic cost expectation, calculation-based cost gouging administration sort of proposed that the especially token was a terrible speculation starting around the 8th of November, which generally is genuinely critical. Its near protocol cost expectation for 2023 by and large said it would have sort of dropped to 27 cents in a year, which especially is very critical. given a by and large more bullish near coin forecast, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the forecaster, the coin's cost could generally have expanded to $3.02 in 2022 and $6.17 in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Its near protocol cost expectation for 2025 basically said it could have moved to $7.57 and especially proceed to have accomplished $15.89 in 2030 amazingly. A comparable estimate certainly was given, exhibiting that near protocol cost expectation, in every practical sense, short and most certainly long haul in an unpretentious manner. Its near protocol expectation for 2022 generally said near would explicitly have basically found the middle value of out at $3.07 this year and $8.79 in 2025, exhibiting that Athena Yu, the chief VP of Binance Guardianship, explicitly said in a proclamation, with this reconciliation, $ near pretty symbolic holders benefit from our protected, coordinated security and liquidity arrangements, which most certainly is very critical. Its near protocol cost expectation for 2030 gave a hopeful worth of $55.82, exhibiting how it in every way that really matters fell even certainly further on the 21st of October to a 52-week sort of low of $2.74 in an especially enormous manner. While considering a near crypto cost expectation, it's essential to sort of remember that digital money markets in every practical sense remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely anticipate what a coin or token's cost will generally be in a sort of couple of hours, and, surprisingly, certainly harder to really give long-haul gauges, or so they generally thought. Thusly, examiners and calculation-based forecasters can and generally do explicitly get their expectations genuinely off base in a significant manner. Assuming you sort of are thinking about putting resources into digital currency tokens, we truly suggest that you generally do sort of your own examination, which is genuinely huge. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and basic examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any speculation choice, which is genuinely critical. Remember that specific past presentation is no assurance of future returns, or so they certainly thought. What's more, never exchange with cash that you can't fundamentally bear to lose. So the protocol has likewise been utilized as a base for kind of a few undertakings sort of like transition and non-fungible extremely token stamping stage mint base, which really is very huge. Whether near protocol generally is an excellent speculation will explicitly rely upon certainly a few elements, including the organization's arrangements and coordinated efforts, and item dispatches, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. At the hour of composing, near protocol forecasts from a few calculation-based stages, fundamentally, for example, basically were bullish in an especially large way. Notwithstanding, wallet financial backer expected it to fall underneath $1 in an especially significant manner. In unstable digital currency markets, it certainly is vital to do your in every practical sense own examination on a coin or in every practical sense token to